In this video, I will show you how to download games on your smart TV. This is easy. Like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more important videos like this. If you want to install or download any game to your smart TV, this is exactly what you can do. Now, the first option is to come over to this application called Downloader. It's a very easy to use application. Now, what this application does is that it helps you install or download files, APKs from across the internet to your smart TV. If you don't have this downloader, check the description of this video. There is a guide there on how to install the downloader to your smart TV. This is very easy. So after you've installed the downloader, all you have to do is to launch it. Once you launch the downloader app, you come over to the search bar. Remember, you want to download and install any game on your smart TV. So downloader is very easy to use. You just have to install it, and then we come over to the box here. Once you come over to the box here, you type in the name of the game you want to install. Let's say, for instance, I'm just going to type in any random game. There are many games, so it's going to be hard to think of a game. So I'm just going to type in this game we love playing growing up. So it's a Zuma game. All right, so you can type in any other game you want. It depends on the game you're looking for. So I'm going to type in the Zuma game, and let's see what we're going to find. So when we type in that, we're just going to click on go. Downloader is going to show us sources across the internet where we can install Zuma to our smart TV. So as you can see on my screen, these are the various options that we can use to install Zuma. So you can just come over here to this option and click on download, or come to this second option, or you just scroll around them to see which one is best for you. And once you finally see the one you want to install or download, you just have to come over to the link, like for instance here, and then click on download, and it's going to be downloaded to your smart TV.